In this video, we're going to be looking at a typical question. You might be wondering, do I need maths? What if I take maths lit? What options are there? And we aim to answer some of these questions. So we're going to be looking at possible undergraduate study options with maths lit. Now, how did I go about doing this? I googled different universities in South Africa and I typed in that I want to see their prospectus, and this is usually a PDF document. Please note that, this is my disclaimer, universities differ, their courses differ. While some universities may accept maths lit for a certain course, others do not. So make sure you look at the specific university of your choice. Alright, let's get down to business. So I'm going to try and give you a summary and just look at the difference between math and maths lit options, your courses. So basically, any BA degree with a BA, you do not need maths. These are things like psychology, criminology, anthropology, also your social work, your social studies, and then any type of language studies, any type of religion or theology studies, and also history studies. And there is quite a long list, so the list continues here. However, on the other side of things, the maths side, when you want to study a degree with a BSc in front of it, okay, Bachelor's of Science, you need maths for degrees like computer science, IT, obviously mathematical degrees, but also things related to biology, chemistry, geography, geology, animal or plant sciences. This is something like botany, as well as veterinarian sciences. So just something to consider. Let's continue, the list goes on. On the one side, I've got maths lit, and the other side, maths. So options here, again, maths lit is all your arts, drama, theatre, and also things like politics, right? Communication, journalism. However, on the other side, you would see something like accounting, BCom, actuarial sciences. So that's here. And there is another degree that I will just mention. It's worth mentioning. Industrial psychology is a popular option, and some universities accept maths lit, others not. So this is something to just look into. Alright, next we have we'll do another comparison type thing. So on the one side of maths, you definitely need maths for these degrees, and that's your typical medical degrees. I mean, a doctor, optometry, physiotherapy, all the therapies, all the radiography, etc. Now there is something like nursing, nursing also a popular option, and surprisingly, some universities do not require maths, so you could get maths lit, but you do need a very high score in this. Other universities require maths. Now, all is not lost, because you could also always look into something like sports and fitness, or sports management, like becoming a coach, sports coach, and these are actual degrees, 3 years. And then there's also another popular option, biokinetics. Here, some universities again accept maths lit, others not, so you're going to have to look at that option if you are curious. And next, let's see what else we have. So maths lit is also your BA law, okay, fashion design, well, any type of design, also interior design. And if you want to study law, some universities also offer, well, most of them offer LLB, but with a choice of maths or maths lit, the option to have maths, but then also make sure you have a high maths lit score. And then any type of business management, right? So here you have your marketing, business management, human resource. On the other side, pure maths, these are your typical engineering degrees. Basically, any type of engineering degree, right? And also construction, architecture, that should be quantity surveying. So all is not lost. You do have a lot of options on the maths lit side that you can look into. Are also your hospitality or any type of food and beverage degree. So that is an option. Also, there are such degrees like sustainable food, and bachelor's in sustainable food. And then if you're looking at something like agriculture, farming, some universities accept maths lit, but you need a very high maths lit score. Okay, this differs from university to university, so just look into it. And if you're interested in someone, or if you're someone interested in tourism, and you love these kind of anything related to this management, etc., you are okay with maths lit. Right. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, become part of the White Boy SA team.